Hey guys, welcome back to Trinity TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite recipes. My Nana taught me this one. Today we're making PANCIT! So you guys ready? Let's cook. We have rice noodles. We have Filipino style noodles. Hot water. Chopped onion. Minced garlic. Chopped chicken, soy sauce, chicken bouillon, oyster sauce, olive oil, and a little bit of chopped carrots. Don't forget the salt and pepper. Now traditionally you add cabbage, pork, shrimp, parsley, and snow peas, but nobody wants no snow peas. Let the rice noodles soak in the hot water. Pour in your olive oil, your chopped onion. Listen to that sizzle. Pour that right in. Stir it up until it's caramelized. Pour in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Or you can chop up a garlic bread if you have time for that. Stir it up, let it cook down. I don't think they're done yet. Check the noodles. These are not quite done yet. Told ya. Now pour in your chicken. Pour in your soy sauce. Soy sauce! Make sure that gets all marinated and stirred up good. You could add a little more soy sauce if you'd like. Now add your chicken bouillon, a big tablespoon. Add a cup of water. Stir that up again. Make sure it gets all marinated, the chicken. Now add a little bit of oyster sauce. Stir that around again. Flavor. Now add a few big cranks of salt. And of course, your ground pepper. That looks good. Now stir that up. Let the chicken cook for 15 minutes. Pour in your carrots. Make sure you get all of them. And stir it up until they're all cooked. Next, add your Filipino style noodles. Add in the whole bag. Time to check your rice noodles. They're all cooked. Thumbs up. Stir your noodles around until all soft. Now pour in your rice noodles, fold it over until it's all fully coated. Look at that. And voila! PANCIT. Thanks for watching.